In today's video, I will show you how to fix push notifications on Tinder. Missing a notification can mean missing out on a great connection, especially since Tinder processes millions of matches every single day and fast responses make a huge difference. If you have noticed that your alerts have suddenly gone quiet, the fix usually comes down to making sure both the app and your phone itself have permission to talk to you. To check your inside settings first, open the Tinder app on your device, click on your profile at the bottom right, then click on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, scroll down until you see the notifications section and then click on push notifications. From this screen, you can toggle on and toggle off all the alerts you want and do not want to receive, so just make sure to toggle on everything you want to actively see. Now, if your in-app toggles are already turned on but you still are not receiving any alerts, your phone's operating system might actually be blocking them on a deeper level. To override this, go back to your homepage, find the Tinder app icon, tap and hold it, and select App Info from the menu. Then, click on Notifications and make sure that the main switch for all notifications is toggled completely on. While you are in there, ensure all individual notification categories like messages, matches, and super likes are fully enabled so your phone never accidentally silences them. And that's it. That's how you fix push notifications on Tinder.